Bonjour, merci Walter. It's very important for Lionism to develop the mentoring. It's our duty to mentor other lions, especially us older ones in the movement, because there are great lions among us who could add a lot to our movement, but we don't know it. We don't have the idea. They are in their club to serve, are very well there because they have made friendships, and that is enough for them. Mentoring is different from coaching. Coaching is personalized support that helps a member define and achieve goals, develop skills and or acquire new ones, improve performance, develop potential. Coaching is, of course, built on a relationship of trust between two members. It is therefore a lion who, for example, will help in a function because he has fulfilled it before, he knows the difficulties, the traps, the things to do or not to do. He will respond to his questions, helping, for example, in a club to organize a meeting, to motivate and retain members. He will share his knowledge. Today, as an international director, I am coached by a past international director who knows the function well and can answer all my questions about Oakbrook. What is mentoring? Mentoring is to support a person at various stages of his development. The mentor guides the mentee in his learning. It promotes the development of his knowledge, skills, and attitudes of the mentee. In Lionism, the first step of a mentor will be to identify a member who seems to have the capacity to develop in order to better serve the movement. He will therefore approach him, discuss with him, explain to him what certain functions consist of, push him, make him want to invest himself in the movement differently. It is a mutually positive relationship. I will take two examples to illustrate it. That of immediate past international president Gudrun Ingen Vatotir, after asking her for authorization, and mine. Her mentor was Jean Béard, when he was a vice international president. And he played a very important role for her, because he said he had discovered potential in her. He constantly challenged her to achieve and trust her by delegating her important tasks and positions and offer her many opportunities. She says herself that she accepts them, work very hard and develop new skills. Some facts. The first time he met Gudrun, it was in a leadership institute in Europe in 1999, where she was a trainer for his district. And he liked what he saw and asked her the following year to be a leadership trainer. This was the beginning of her mentoring. He offered her many tasks, and sometimes Gudrun told him that she couldn't do because she had other plans, and he pushed her and asked her to change them because it was important to Lionism. And she did. Early 2008, he decided to give her the responsibility of the new LCIF structure after campaign Site First 2, and she replied no, because she considered that she didn't know enough about this program and she was busy with other things. Jean Béard said that she can learn it and need to do something new. This is the role of mentor, to spot someone, to believe in him, to push him, to bring him to take on responsibilities he didn't think of. Let's move on to my example now, as I also benefited from two successive mentors. The one unfortunately died. As I was involved in the associative world, I was very quickly spotted by a past president of the council who led me to come and work with him for specific actions. Then he suggested that I join a new club, the first mixed gender club of Toulouse. Once in his club, he never stopped pushing me, motivating me to become, for example, president of the International Commission, then very quickly president of the club, and during my second year, he appointed me to represent the club at the Montreal International Convention. He has always listened to me, helped me to all these posts, and to send me to do lion training in order to better understand our movement. When my two kids didn't need me anymore, I started to open up a bit more and look beyond my club, going to district congress and national and international convention. During one of these congresses, following question that I asked in a workshop, a vice governor came to ask me to become his area leader. I didn't know him. I didn't know what his objectives were, his values, and therefore I answered him no. He never stopped contacting me, discussing with me, getting me to participate in meetings, asking my opinion on position to take, make me want to be part of a team for the development of the movement. So I accept his offer and becoming his area leader. One day, he invited me to a working session, and he told me that he wants me to think about proposing my candidacy as governor, because he knows I have the capacity and the ability to do it. I answer immediately no, because I do not really like hierarchy, especially in unionism. And a friend of mine decided to be candidate, so for me, no question to be in competition with him. During 6 months, this governor asked me the question again. Show me the good sides of the governor's post in relation to my values. Made me meet other governors and past governors, and as my friend resigned his candidacy, always pushed by my mentor, I ended up proposing my candidacy, and I really do not regret it. I think these two mentors friends, I thank these two mentor friends because without them I will not be before you today as international director. So each of us must, in my opinion, be the mentor of a lion, to make him want to take responsibility, to help him move forward in his history and his relationship with the movement, because many of them do not think about it, although they have the capacity. As mentor, you have to want to identify younger people who have this potential, this dedication, so to be open to others, that's the main things. It is with this mentoring work that we will be able to rejuvenate our leaders, because there is no need to have multiple years of lionism to take responsibility. By being a mentor, we trust younger lions without waiting for return. That is very important. Who offer time will become a friend, because a close relationship is created between the mentor and his mentee. Being a mentor is an immense pleasure to have been able to identify someone who has made a difference by taking responsibility, to identify someone who will be useful to the movement, to have allowed him to grow, and perhaps also to fully express his personality. It is so proud to see him succeed in his challenge. Being a mentor is rich in meaning, therefore motivating and rewarding. Being a mentor is inseparable from being a lion. And I use the words of one of my mentors. It's an ethic of life, a form of caring for others, of giving of oneself, of being useful in advice and transmission. So be enthusiastic, become a mentor to younger people and to young people.